Today, let's talk about how to draw a straight line and the circles using ruler or straight edge and a compass. So, first of all, you need, clean up your desk, table to get it ready. And next, grab a piece of a blank sheet of paper, a good high quality paper, okay, like that. You'll see if we use a low quality paper and a messy desktop, we cannot generate a high quality diagram, circles and lines. Next, this is the two tools we used, but be careful. We don't use the markings of the ruler here. We only use the straight edge and a compass. Yeah, those are traditional straight edge and compass used. All similar tools are used in thousands of years ago, and that is the basic tools for geometry. And geometry is the foundation of our mathematics. Okay. And it can, with those two simple plain tools, we can do a lot. We can build a huge mathematics above it. But today we'll do just some simple things like draw straight lines and circles. Let me show you how to do it correctly, because like many people use a different or not ideal pose to draw straight line and circles. I learned that in my university. So trust me. This is how we draw a straight line. So this is, yeah, I am right-handed. So if you are left-handed, it's a different picture, right? Maybe flip it, okay? So like use your left hand, right fingers to hold the straight edge firmly. And then use your right hand to draw the line gently. Very important, gently. This is for horizontal lines. What about the vertical lines? How did you put your straight edge? The correct way is, guess. It's like that. It's like that. Very important, right? If you are right-handed, draw this line, like put your pencil or pen, right, to the left of the straight edge, not the opposite, which is wrong. So you always draw from lower place to the upper place, right? From bottom here to the top, not the other way. You cannot draw from top down. Yeah. Now let's talk about how to use compass. Yeah, you put your needle, the needle of the compass, right, in the wherever you want to put the center of the circle, and rotate the compass gently, always gently, right? Sometimes you don't need to draw the full circle. For example, if you want to create an intersection somewhere, right, you only need to gently draw part of the circle. Is an arc, right? Like from here to there. Yeah, you did it slowly and gently. So don't move the, right? Don't, yeah, try to make the needle stick in the static location. Don't move that. Yeah, otherwise you'll destroy your circle. Next, I'll show you what I mean the low quality paper and not drawing gently, which will generate this kind of image. You see? What's the problem with that? I guess the paper is too thin and not thick enough, right? And those horizontal lines on the paper like that is annoying, right? Yeah, those lines are annoying. And the problem, you see, this guy like press the needle too hard, and yeah, those lines we don't, yeah, we don't like this messy things, right? And what I mean, draw gently. I do mean gently. So here is a sample. Okay, let's move here. So let's see the circle, right? Very gently. And all the lines are elegant, you see? If we put the needle here and draw, sorry, this arc is based on our circle with center here, and we draw a short, right, light arc to make an intersection here. That's how we solve some geometrical problems, right? We need to find out some intersection. Yeah, for example, the straight line and the circle. Yeah, so always draw it gently. Yeah. Okay, I think since we already know how to use, right, the straight edge and pencil and our compass. So if you want to practice how to use compass, we can do something like that. Yeah, draw a bunch of circles. All of them share the same center. Yeah. Or another thing here is also fun. Oh, cool. It's like an artwork. Yeah. So yeah, there's a pattern here. You can find. But ignore the thickness of the line, okay? Yeah, we draw it gently, right? Because we don't want to generate artwork. We want to investigate the geometrical problem down the road. So we only need, theoretically, the lines or circle lines, there's no thickness. It's like very, very thin line. Yeah, another example is How many circles do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it looks like a flower, right? Cool. It's not easy to make this accurate. You need to find some strategy to make this, right, symmetric. 6 circles. Okay, cool. That's it for today. So after that, after we can draw circles and lines on the paper, we will learn how to do the same thing in computer, okay? By writing our line drawing code. Okay, that's it for today. See you next time.